So if you have a Mac Mini or you're thinking about getting one, I mean, you should, they're great. But Minisopuru came out with a really great accessory and upgrade for your Mac Mini. Plus, it has a secret compartment down below, so let's go ahead and get right into it.
Mr. Black.
So check this thing out. It's a sleek looking docking station from Minisopuru, where you put your Mac Mini right here on this super soft silicone padding, just keeping that Mac Mini safe. And then you plug in the attached high-speed USB-C cable to your Mac Mini, and now it opens it up to all of these extra ports, including a USB-A 10 gigabytes per second port, a USB-C 10 gigabytes per second port, an SD card slot for cameras, and a TF card slot for those micro SD cards. And then at the bottom, you have a secret compartment for up to 2 terabytes of M.2 SSD, basically showing up as an external drive that's also fast enough so that you can have your footage on there and edit straight from that with no problems. But also on this design, they added these little pockets on the front and the back, so that way you can put your iPad or iPhone or anything else on that, just giving you more use of your precious desk space. And also when it's standing up like this, that heat vent is shooting straight up, just keeping it from overheating or getting too hot. So basically that's it. It's sleek, it's simple, and it just gives you a lot more usability for your Mac Mini. I'll put links to this and some of their other cool docking stations down in the description, so check it out down there. And in fact, if you're looking for a docking station for your laptop, you should click and watch this video right here. Or you can click and watch this video right over here. And yeah, if you're new here, don't be a stranger. You can click that subscribe button as well, and stay tuned for more on this channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?